Hello everyone, Dan here from the Next Issue Podcast. On today's video, it is the release date for the latest set of One Piece. This is PBR1, the best of the best. They are reprinting a lot of stuff. I went to my shop earlier to pick this up and I actually opened my box there. I recorded everything there, so we're going to go watch that video and you can see all the stuff that I pulled. I think it's a pretty cool box. It's a lot of really cool stuff, especially if you're a recent addition to this game. Like if you're pretty new to this game, it reprints so much stuff that is either hard to find or things that are just very good in a lot of these decks. So if you pick this up, let me know what you pulled. So let's go take a look at the stuff that I pulled out of this box. All right, here is, what's this called? PBR1, the best
Premium
ones.
Booster set, PRB.
Premium booster set. We're gonna open it up here where it's Sanctuary. Because I got really lucky with another box I opened of another game, so I figured why not keep that good energy going. Also, if I pull some, all right. Now that I struggle with that, here's the box. Let's see. Oh, I get my demon fruit stuff too today.
Oh yeah, your devil fruit stuff?
Yeah.
What do you get from?
On my devil fruit from Target. I ordered a couple like when they were for pre-order.
Yeah.
But they're like, oh yeah, we won't have it until today. So. All right, let's see.
Thank you, sir.
That's what
I know. I was like, this is sick.
Oh, Jacob.
What's up, brother?
Is that a Peach Morocco playmat? Grab me one. There's more than one?
Yeah.
Four.
It was four.
Oh man. Okay, I'll have to check.
Oh, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I'll get back to you on that. All right, let's see. What are these called? The rarity on these,
Which one?
like the little skulls.
Oh, Jolly Rogers.
Jolly Rogers.
They're calling them.
Okay.
They're crazy.
Ooh, that's nice.
This is a soul ring?
Foil edge soul ring for box for a buy box from us.
I think-
This card is broken.
I gotta ask
Yeah.
since I got the experts here.
Oh my
Oh,
goodness.
nice.
That's my first pack.
That's good. You get 2 alts, 2 full art foils, 2
Okay.
Dawn foils, and 2 secrets, and then you get 18 SRs.
Awesome. All right.
It's that's what I'm saying. It's fun.
That's really good. That's really good. All right.
The part is so when you play Commander, turn 1 is already soul ring. If you turn 1 soul ring,
Well, there you go. We got a
you're gonna
first
have the house
pack.
rule back. Okay, everyone else gets a 2 rare deck or 2 rare cards in the deck. Because essentially your hand. Yeah.
Get good.
And then if you have a Signet's 2 mana, and that one you play and you tap for any color you want. So now you're essentially up
There we go.
5 mana.
All right. Damn, that's pretty
good.
good for a first pack. People are gonna be excited.
I have been cut out on the plastic.
Oh, that's awesome. That's pretty good.
I got excited when I opened the deck because I was like, "Ooh, there's a Dawn," but
Oh,
there's
yeah,
a Dawn
yeah,
in
yeah.
every one of them.
Yeah.
So I was like, "Oh, that's."
If you see
really
blue on the back, it's good.
blue on the back,
Yeah,
okay,
it's a god pack.
good to know.
That means you get mangas.
Oh, for
All
like
mangas.
all the mangas.
Yeah.
I did see some people on TikTok open up all the mangas. Oh, that's nice.
Nice.
Okay, so these are just the Jolly
Jolly
Rogers.
Rogers, yeah.
Okay. I like these, even though they're not shiny. I wish they were shiny, but
I mean, you get there's 2 foils. You can get.
What?
okay,
Have you opened yours yet?
No, my wife was telling me.
that's funny.
She's coming up here in a little while.
Oh, I see.
All right.
And I was like, she goes, I heard about this. What's this? She's like, what's these special packs that you're talking about? I was like, yeah, these are basically one of these versions of collector edition.
That is true. Yeah, you're gonna help me open this?
Except like less than half the price of what a Magic collector.
Yeah, for sure. All right, let's see.
I mean, Jacob's here. He knows I'm not gonna take off.
Yeah, I don't care. I know where he lives.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, Jolly Rogers.
He knows where I live.
That's true.
Facts.
He had to pick up our best selection one.
Okay.
It's not bad. Kid.
You want to play mat or anything?
Yeah, I had Jacob let me borrow his playmat since it's One Piece
Hey,
thing.
we haven't seen you in like a couple weeks.
Dude, I've been so busy with work.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and then Star Wars just had all the pre-release stuff, so I'm like, I I need to prioritize Star Wars. Yeah. Ooh, Myhawk, G, Luffy. That's a very nice Luffy. It's the P that it was a promo originally?
Yeah, that was a promo originally. It was only in which event was that? It was one of the pre-release promos,
Okay.
and that card used to be really expensive.
Oh, okay. Cool. Very nice.
He was also the blue Luffy from the collector set, the live action collector set.
Oh yeah. Oh, that was a okay.
You already opened up a foil Donover?
Already? Dang. Oh, it's the same card here. Okay. Oh, we got Kid in the super rare slot. Jolly Roger. Jolly Roger.
This is the part separating all the rares.
Yeah.
How much is this affect your price?
Not bad yet. It depends what you hit.
I'm just waiting for a god.
That's what I'm waiting for. Oh, we did it. That's good.
Oh, that is a good hit.
Oh, nice, dude.
What was it?
Sanji's Pilaf Altar.
Okay.
See a guy eating ramen.
Okay.
No, he's eating fried rice.
Is it fried rice?
Yeah, pilaf is rice. Yeah.
Yeah, she has.
Dude, how can I go back to playing regular cards when these Jolly Rogers are so nice?
That high roll by Sean. He hit Jubei Weevil. Like, oh, fuck.
Yeah. There's your other foil gone already.
Oh, wait, this one's sick. Yeah.
Awesome.
So this is the extended one.
I pulled one of those in my starters. I think I showed you guys the Cusco, or what's his name?
Is that German? Oh, is it Dolly?
Hey, we got a first Don here. All right. The Luffy eye.
Oh, nice. I like that.
That is nice. I'm gonna sleeve the eye.
Yeah. Ooh. That's good. The promo Nami.
There-
From the starter set.
Wait, I didn't know they reprinted that. This is awesome.
There's a Boa card in here that just looks great on the Jolly Roger. Oh man.
There's so much shiny.
Not much.
They should do this once a year.
Oh no, she has both of them.
Let's see. Jolly Roger. Oh, that's a rare. Ooh, extend. Oh, nice.
That's a good hit.
Altar Otama.
Oh, that's what I needed. I bought it for $20, and now they're sitting at
Good to know where the price point
They're at
is.
50.
Nice.
$50. You sure?
Yeah.
All right.
We have a lot. Trust me.
Were y'all the time Friday yesterday?
How'd you? Where?
Lone Star was,
Oh, they had some.
140. Yeah, that's a good reason. And then Carter would have.
Hey, that was good.
Oh, this is the other
Oh,
one.
wow. That's nice, dude. What the heck? Nice.
Oh, I think I got another Altar Kobe
It's two extended arts and two.
and an extended art.
So we have one more extended art.
No, that's an extended art.
This is extended art.
This one.
Oh, there it is.
And
This
this
is the
is just a
six
regular
bucks.
one. Yeah.
That's really good.
Which one?
That's
Yeah.
an extended art.
Let me see.
Mihawk, because it's a 2K. So it's
Ah.
a player right now. Oh, this shopper too.
Oh, this is a card I pulled with
Yes.
extended art. Okay, yeah. Gotcha.
That's what I'm saying. The set is fun to open.
Yeah.
It sucks.
Yeah, it sucks because it is fun to open.
Yeah.
So this should be it besides foil. And you have a chance to hit Nami.
Oh, no Sanji yet?
Manga needs to come this set?
Yes, it doesn't. It doesn't.
I was like,
oh,
no
that's good.
Sanji yet?
Oh, that's true.
Supposedly this is really hard to pull.
Is it?
Yeah.
Just an normal?
Yeah.
Wow.
I think they said it's like one per box, but a lot of people are saying I didn't get one in my box. And I was like, oh, that sucks.
But it's also like good.
Yeah.
Boa. Oh, Nami. That's nice.
Hey.
Flash red. Oh, here's my other Dawn.
Which one?
It's scary.
Oh, yeah, the Charlotte.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Oh my bad.
That's what I gave you.
Yeah.
I don't want this card.
That's creepy.
Is it the ult or the foil?
Oh, I opened up the devil fruit.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, we got one copy. So I was like, well, we're gonna have another one. Jake's just gonna open it.
Yeah. I like that.
Dude, that's so crazy. Like, if you ever missed out on anything before, it's
It's here.
Yeah.
People are saying it's a lot of good entries.
yeah, dude, it's huge.
Well,
This-
especially since queens are at like the common slots and stuff.
Yeah.
This brought
Why
Twilight
is
all
$6
the way down.
queens anymore.
Oh, I see. That's the altar for this. Okay.
Oh yeah, it's true.
Yeah,
It's
too.
too. I forgot.
Oh, so this
That was
is
pretty good.
so this is extended art from this
Yes,
card.
sir.
Ah, gotcha. Okay. It's hard to tell. Oh, and there's a Hody. I do need Hodies. That's nice. I'll take that. So, chopper.
Yeah, that
Oh,
was-
yeah,
I like that. I like that.
It's so sick.
That's super good. I got the OG altar. This one's nice, dude.
This is so. I'm so
They really did
excited.
well with like changing it up, man. No more screenshots.
Right?
Yo, special Osama, hell yeah.
You
dude.
want it?
Maybe. No, dude, you keep it. Now,
I have.
You
No, I already
press all four
Yeah,
different ones.
I have all four. of them.
No, you keep it. You keep it.
No,
Well,
because
it's all
I have.
four without
So I have
the
this one extended.
Ooh.
So it's all art.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
then
I like
I have
that.
that alt one that Amy just pulled, and then I have the participation one. And
I like this
have
one.
the first anniversary.
Looks good.
Alright, well, I'm good.
Ah,
It'll be like $1.
Okay, well, you find out the price. And I'll give you.
Nah, you Jolly Rogers won't be that.
I'll buy you some. Heck yeah, dude. Let me find you lunch. Damn it.
This is so nice, dude,
Yeah.
because it's like it's shiny in other places.
Like the little flowers on her.
Oh, that's nice. Secret rare.
Yeah. Danny, can I see your Otana?
Yeah.
Just so I can.
I don't know where you live, but Jacob does.
I already have one. I bought one already.
Okay.
And not the price that it is. This is the alt for this.
Wow.
It looks great.
That's super pretty.
It's coming in today. Because somebody had them on Facebook. He opened them early. So he posted this one for $20. And then the other one for $20. And I was like, this one's probably gonna be worth 40. So I'll pay 40, take a loss on the other one, and then I'll be up on this one. But now this one's sitting at 60. So I paid 40 for both. I lose $10 on one of them.
Yeah, 'cause I don't think that card's going away anytime soon.
No,
It's like one of the best reds.
Yeah, 258. I agree.
I like that they also gave the border on these.
Thank
like,
you, sir.
they made
What do you
the
hit
silver
so far?
border.
That's
So
the
you
dollar
still
sign.
you have one more extended art
Oh yeah.
and one more secret.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
I
So
see.
2 alt arts, 2 extended,
Yep.
and
foil
two Dawn.
and
Okay.
18 SRs.
And then, is there something surprise that could happen? Or
No.
Okay.
I think Nami takes a slot of an alt or extended art.
Oh, okay,
A lot
okay.
of us have regional, like a lot of us have regionals in like.
Oh, that's funny.
So we're, or it's not even a month now. We got a couple weeks.
I got
We get
the
5 of this one and 5 of the other one.
I got the regular
Oh,
card
regular
and the
and-
shiny. I like when they're back to back, so I can show them
Because
off.
Novi has the same one, it's just on the other side.
Yep.
There's 2 sides of it.
You had it over there.
Oh, do we?
Du-du.
Oh, yeah, sure. Oh, yeah. See? That's why it's 6. Running 5 and 5 of each. Yeah.
Satori. I think this is pretty
makes
playable.
Yeah, I would. 'Cause I have both.
She's pretty playable, right? I think.
Ball?
Yeah.
She's playable 2K.
Yeah. Nice.
I don't know in Saba.
There's also another art for certain cards that are like, so like, icy.
How hard is it to open up these
Oh,
books?
Two.
Two apiece.
No, so like, you know how our sword has like, it's foiled, so it's like textured foiled.
Yeah.
That's the other art. Basically, this is really good. And you can use like 4 times.
Yeah. That one was already on big beforehand.
Oh, I think this is my other alt.
Oh yeah, that's your other alt.
Charlotte Prospero.
So this one must be the extended.
yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
You're right.
So then this is your alt.
This one and this one.
This
are
is
my
really
art,
good though. People like that.
and then these are my extended art. Yeah, because I saw the regular. Oh, that's pretty good though.
It is.
Oh, nice. And I got a little.
Another Kobe.
Another Kobe.
That guy. That's
Just
you.
Kobe. I'm gonna have to build a red deck now.
You haven't have Sanji yet?
That one.
No, I don't. Wait, which Sanji?
Sanji leader.
Oh no, leader.
Are you able to get like leaders too?
No.
Sanji is the only one.
Am I supposed to get a leader here? I haven't opened the
And he's
leader.
exclusive to this set on top of it.
No, because it would be a red background, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't opened the red background. I think I should get one more secret rare based on what we were talking about.
I have a real one in the car.
Which one? You said the 10 shank. So
Oh.
that's the one from
That's yeah. The 07 one, you need about 2 of those. You don't need 4. Yeah. I have 4 just in case.
Just in case.
And then the new 10 shanks. The new 10 shanks has 10 cost.
Oh, there's Sanji.
10, 12, minus 1 to the whole board.
That's a
Permanent.
nine,
Huh?
right?
Yeah. And then Rush.
Right.
Yeah. It's a very good price.
I did get my Sanji finally.
So I've never played Red before. So
It's
why?
yeah. And then the old that.
I want to see two numbers.
That one was good.
Oh, this is the devil fruit one.
Yeah, it's one of the devil fruit ones.
Oh, this is these. The other one is
The whole foil around the.
Oh snap! That's nice. Here's my other secret rare.
Oh, nice.
I wanted one, so now I don't have to go buy it.
These, you'll probably
All right, so I think that should be all the good stuff. I think.
I didn't know there was that many people that like the Corona. Dear y'all.
we pulled a foil. Corona.
I say we traded fairly.
That's true.
Yeah, I think like
It was at the time because Corona was like 40.
I think Victoria's never going to play anything else. Like, she's
Oh,
kinda
really?
committed. Like, we're more so like collecting for the option to play other stuff.
That's the name of the song.
Oh,
Yeah. So she's playing for Corona.
Yeah, like we probably.
All right, last pack. Let's see if it's the God pack.
Still no Sanji, huh?
I did get a Sanji. I did pull one.
All right. So far, I've seen one a box.
We finally got kids to put in there too. So I'm pretty happy.
Was no God pack. Unfortunate. Unfortunate.
I think it was
So
We were talking about today because like we are. Getting
that's it. We did it.
This is the villain. No, the villain. Oh, this is Regan.
All right. Quick recap.
We're like the
Secret rares.
It has a like a diamond in there.
Alt arts.
Y'all me the other one later. Motherfucker. I'm literally picking
And extended art.
Because you can't open two jumps.
All right. Well, there you have it. That's what we pulled out of our box of One Piece PBR1. Shout out to my shop, Sanctuary Books and Games in Las Colinas. They are a great shop. They made sure to put aside at least one box for me because man, oh man, this one is hard to get. So yeah, I appreciate that. I appreciate their effort. I bought some other stuff. Maybe I'll do another video. I bought some cool mats from Magic. And then, of course, a little bit more Star Wars stuff. So stay tuned if you're a fan of One Piece, if you're a fan of trading card games in general. We'll be here talking about that stuff on the channel. And, of course, thanks for watching, everyone. Remember to share, like, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when we go live. That is most Saturdays, 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. Stay tuned. We have more comic reviews, trailer reactions, TV recaps, all that fun stuff here in the channel. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye-bye.